Hello viewers, how are you? In this video I will tell you about top 20 Pakistani richest man. Number 20. Anwar Saifullah Khan. Net worth 330 million USD dollars. Safcrom, textile, cement, real estate, power etc. Born in 1945. Number 19. Syed Babar Ali. Net worth 335 million USD dollars. Packages Group Mall, Lums, Atra Park Nexle, born in 1927. Number 18. Hussain Daud. Daud Hercules Corporation, Angro Favor Limited, net worth 371 million USD dollars. Number 17. Behram D. Awari. Awari Hotel Lahore, Karachi, Dubai, net worth 372 million USD dollars. Number 16. Abdul Razak Daud, CEO Descon, net worth 375 million USD dollars. Number 15. Akil Karim Didi, net worth 460 million USD dollars. AKD Group, having a huge textiles, energy, power sector and other investment. Number 14. Mukhtar Ahmad, net worth 470 million USD dollars. Owner of Ibrahim Group, majority shareholder Allied Bank, Polyester Fiber and Energy. Number 13. Rafiq Rangoon Wala, net worth 480 million USD dollars. Pola Group of Companies, KFC. Number 12. Diwan Yusuf Faruqi, net worth 800 million USD dollars. Polyester sectors, sugar, cement, manufacturing, textile. Number 11. Tariq Sehgal, net worth 850 million USD dollars. Sehgal Group, Kohinoor, Maple Leaf Group. Number 10. Rafiq Habib, net worth 900 million USD dollars. Habib Bank Automobile. Number 9. Nasir Sechan, net worth 1 billion USD dollars. Sechan Group, Air Pilot Training, Park Arab Fertilizer, Properties, Textile. Number 8. Malik Riaz, net worth 1.1 billion USD dollars. Barriatown Real Estate. Number 7. Sadaruddin Hashwani, Hotels and Resort and Gas Oil, net worth 1.2 billion USD dollars. Number 6. Mia Nawaz Sharif, net worth 1.4 billion USD dollars. Sugar mills, dairy farm, agri farm, steel mills, feed mills, poultry farm, Hums Boat Transport, sugar cane development. Number 5. Zameer Chaudhary, net worth 1.17 billion USD dollars. CEO, Best Way Cash and Carry Wholesale. Number 4. Asif Ali Zardari, net worth 1.8 billion USD dollars. Sugar Industries, Real Estate. Number 3. Mia Mansha, net worth 2.6 billion USD dollars. MCB Bank, Nishad Group, Cement Mills, Textile Mills, Dairy, Real Estate, Banking, Power Sector Lalpir, Power. Number 2. Sir Anwar Parvez, net worth 3.8 billion USD dollars. Best Way United Bank Limited. Number 1. Shahid Khan, net worth 8.9 billion USD dollars. Owner Jacksonville Jaguars USA in Euro Stadiums. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel Truth of the World.